Hi, welcome to my workshop. I mean my kitchen, because today we are making a food safe finish. It's a simple recipe out of oil and beeswax, and we are going to reuse my old container for the finished thing. So let me get you a little closer so you'll see better. So we're gonna use this. This is paraffin oil. It is mainly used for the wine industry, and it says here it's medicinal quality, food and wine industry. So I used this the last time and it was good. So we're gonna use this again because it is very cheap. This 2.5 liter is 10 bucks, I think. Very cheap. And this beeswax, I got this from my friends at the Istina iz Zavoda Pčelarstvo channel. They gave me this. They're super great guys. So check their channel. It is in the description. So let us start. The mixture is 3:1. So use this container that has volume on it. So it makes it a little bit easier. So we are going to do 600 milliliter of oil. That is 600. So we are going to let it heat in a low setting. Yes. And now we are going to put in the beeswax until it gets to 800. So 3:1, 6 plus 2 is 8. Oh my god. My wife is going to kill me when she sees what I did to her kitchen. Pray for me. That will be okay. Now mix it until it dissolves completely. It will take a while. Maybe we should take this. I will see you when it's nearing the end. We are almost done. Are just few bits that's not dissolved. But it will be quick. Just mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. We're going to turn down the heat. The rest will do. So we're gonna leave it to about 20 minutes, half an hour to cool down just a little bit. So I'll see you then. It's been about 30 minutes, so I don't know if this step is necessary, but I do it anyways. I'm putting hot water here to heat up the glass so that this thing that is very hot doesn't shock the glass and crack it. So I do it that way. I don't know if it is necessary. So let's pour. I'm going to do another quick batch just to fill this up. Now it is done. We're gonna leave it for another 20 minutes to 30 minutes and then pour it there. Now let's pour this, and this thing already started to set, and when everything gets solidified, we're gonna go down to the shop and try out some samples. Oh my god, no, too much. Oh, right on the... I'm not going to say it. Now let this thing cool off. It is done. Now let's go down to the shop and try it out. Oof, we are here. It's not 100% ready, but it is already usable. So I prepared a sample of cherry, oak, and wine barrel. So we're going to see how it works. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. The darker wood, the better. Oh, yes. Now let's see this. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.